The finish line is just the beginning. You did it. The roar of the crowd is still echoing in your ears. The weight of the finisher's medal hangs around your neck, a testament to months of dedication, discipline, and countless miles. A wave of exhaustion washes over you, mixed with an overwhelming sense of accomplishment. But as one journey ends, another begins. The journey of recovery. This next phase is just as crucial as your training. Proper recovery will help your body heal, prevent injuries, and bring you back strong. You've pushed muscles, tendons, and ligaments to their absolute limit. Your energy stores are depleted, inflammation is high. Ignore recovery, and you risk prolonged soreness, chronic fatigue, and injuries. Treat recovery as an active, intentional process, the final, essential chapter of your marathon story. From muscle care and rehydration to nutrition and mental rest, every step you take now shapes your comeback. Take a deep breath. You've earned this rest, so let's make it count. Here's how to regain your energy, step by step. The first 10 minutes are chaotic and exhilarating, so don't stop abruptly. Keep moving to prevent blood pooling and dizziness. Walk slowly and steadily for 5 to 10 minutes. Skip intense stretching right away. Focus on deep, controlled breathing. Wrap the foil blanket to stay warm while you cool down. Once your breath settles, use light stretches. Hamstrings, quads, calves, glutes. Hold 15-30 seconds. No bouncing, no pain. Begin sipping fluids. Water, or even better, an electrolyte drink. Walk, breathe, gentle stretch, sip. Simple actions now set the stage for faster recovery. Find open space, keep moving, respect other finishers. First 10. Walk 5-10 min. Breathe. Light stretch. Sip electrolytes. Over 26.2 miles, you lose a lot of fluid and electrolytes. Sodium and potassium maintain fluid balance, muscle contraction, and nerve function. Don't dilute with plain water alone. Avoid hyponatremia. In the first hour, prioritize a sports drink, coconut water, or add an electrolyte tablet. Check the label. Sodium matters most. Use salty snacks, pretzels, crackers to help retain fluids. Sip steadily through the day. Don't chug. Aim for pale yellow urine. Continue rehydrating for 24-48 hours. Hydration flushes metabolic wastes and delivers nutrients to damaged muscle. Include bananas, potatoes, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, dairy, or fortified plant milks with a little salt. Refill the tank. Electrolyte drink plus steady sips, plus mineral-rich meals. The 30 to 60 minutes after you finish is the golden hour. Your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients for repair and refueling. You need carbohydrates and protein. Carbs replenish depleted glycogen, key to beating deep fatigue. Use fruit or juice for quick energy. Lean on complex carbs for sustained replenishment. Protein provides amino acids to repair microscopic muscle tears. Target 20-30 grams of high-quality protein. Chocolate milk, a protein shake, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts. If solid food is unappealing, use a smoothie, fruit, yogurt, or protein powder, and milk or water. Get something in within an hour. Pack a snack or meet a friend with your go-to meal. Golden hour, carbs plus protein plus fluids. Work faster recovery. Rest is essential, but complete inactivity can backfire. Choose gentle movement, walking 15 to 30 minutes once or twice a day. It boosts circulation, delivers oxygen and nutrients, and eases stiffness. It helps reduce DOMS, which often peaks around 48 hours post-race. Facilitate healing, not fitness. Try swimming or no-resistance cycling, easy on joints. Stretch after a short walk. Hamstrings, quads, calves, hips, glutes, lower back. Add slow leg swings and torso twists. Avoid aggressive stretching. No running, jumping, or heavy lifting this first week. Your body needs cellular repair time. Don't rush it. Light activity is an essential tool. Use it. Tools can ease soreness and support healing. Foam rolling is self-massage. Roll slowly over quads, hamstrings, calves, IT bands. In the first days, keep pressure light. Increase as soreness fades. Compression socks, sleeves, or tights may reduce swelling and feel lighter on the legs. Science is mixed, but many runners swear by it. Low risk to try. Use a massage gun on low settings. Avoid bony areas. A lacrosse or tennis ball can release glutes and arches of the feet. Breathe and ease into hot spots. Short sessions go a long way. Consider an ice bath, 10-15 degrees for 10-15 min, or contrast shower hot-cold cycles. These tools aren't magic, but used correctly, they can help. Foam roll light. Try compression. Targeted massage. Optional cold. Contrast. Sleep is the most powerful recovery tool. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone to repair tissues. In week 1, sleep more than usual. Aim 8 to 9 hours. Short 20-30 minute naps can be incredibly restorative. Keep the bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Try a book, calming music, or a warm bath. If race night sleep is tough, rest quietly. It still helps. As soreness and stress fade, sleep improves. Treat sleep like a workout on your plan. Non-negotiable. Sleep underpins everything. Nutrition, hydration, and movement all work better when you're well rested. Use a structured, flexible 2-week plan. Listen and adjust. Day 0, walk 10 to 15 minutes. Rehydrate with electrolytes. Eat carbs, plus protein within 60-90 minutes. Early bed. 2 short, easy walks daily. Gentle foam rolling. Prioritize 8+ hours of sleep. Balanced meals. Continue walks. Try light swimming or no-resistance cycling. Avoid running. Days 8 to 10. If soreness is gone, try a 15-20 minute very easy run. Any sharp pain, stop and walk. Try again in a day or 2. Add 1 or 2 short easy runs under 30 minutes. Supplement with non-impact cross-training. Not the time for speed work. Reacquaint your body with running. 1 day off hard running per mile. Raced about 26 days. Expect some post-race blues. Be patient. Reflect, reset, and let motivation return naturally. Looking ahead, patience, progress, and your next goal. You've crossed the line, navigated the first hours, and followed a smart 2-week plan. Soreness fades. Energy rises. Everyone recovers at a different rate. Don't compare. If a short run feels hard or fatigue lingers, take more rest. Add miles slowly, no more than 10% per week. Keep intensity low for a month. Let musculoskeletal, endocrine, and immune systems fully rebound. Reintroduce light strength, core, glutes, single leg stability. Recovery is integral. Treat it like training. Rest well, eat nourishing food, move gently, be patient. When the time is right, you'll stand at another starting line. Stronger, wiser, ready.